nyina somewhere along the line no we had our flaws me am wafa enemy professor Kofi Ajekum there were occasions oba yaw enye sa na mtete wo onu mi so o kire made Olegon ni nya no sa na mba radio universe enema we can say can stop me ba me Faustina Nelson NDC obefro yaw me so enye MPP na me nie ana MPP NDC na me wo enema we eye nka bio emwa me ba me amabuzi abefro what you say and of course Dr. Joyce what you serious and so beka to say we dey me no nya adwen enkasa akasa ni biem eno na aboa yen nti de me busanse amrante na ye ba no dodo se the one DC mu a emfa se chinchira wo party mu hwe Dr. What you say Niama Donko is it Niama there Niama Donko nia nana komia kodi na de STC no yes and I'm of some support no they will tell you so we no de wo wani monyam nti na ofa kwa mi adokupo kwa ntu fasa de no nkone kanda pa no on be yi se masa we won kasa yie eti misramu more often than not no eya na ofisa o kam ya jeje osu we de na no atena ni eden dabi especially wa ban mu a o kasa mebrebe no o ye de apam nkrofo afri party no send the why say nothing enti NDC for am toto amopa especially say mu negative image e wa sofo ho one de kumodi for asare stadium oh modna boka mu abetwe ku no brother Mwako ni wo epim ne
accident
ya wi o ko nyina na se mo monitor no Bishop Pamabaka Archbishop Pamabaka ye kwakope na kunu ye nyani pa ose no ne akuno enti mo record wa sofo ni nyamesun mu na NDC for airtime and this is the time was and kamuri mu image na nso ya fumboni nim semasa go ahead na mo man kura ni o mo atem na mu wi amafase ase ekobom pae jo mama kasa de nsa hye soro anu na binum kasa ni nsa na de hwe soro no wode hwan to no de woni nyame yaw
udi TV me kakrasa na
I'm saying that Ghana must not introduce free SHS.
Ti so bi ko gina honom na se sofo ni nsem okan ni mienu ni edi kan free SHS NDC for say papa no say mama ba obetwam bishop ayesu na kai me be kire mwase am yahu de ono kai de etosu mienu 11 no a okase mama entimi ntwam no papa no na eka wanu masam so de nambe bu abem me ba ye no so abekira mamfo hu but more importantly minua se sofo aka sa na mfumso tia mpo a atemdidie mazi bi de where ye beko ye di atem afi titi abepem sa na ye gusu di atem oman no branding ben ye de ema no minua chese ucha se atenie dia one it shows your level of intolerance chese onyu obi a wabotre di atoso mienu it shows your upbringing you are uncouth wadi miei sa atemdidie na de be yi obi anu a di atoso miensa ya yentiase pa so ni say kasa ohwe botaye be na ta kasa chi ye wo communication wo ba twi ya na emodin communication and talking. Of course many people can be credited as talking but they are not communicating. The essence of effective communication aye ni say ubetimi a influence obi ubetimi a persuade obi MPP ni betimi atwe NDC ni bia bedi na kire. But more often than not both MPP ni NDC for no we are always off tangent. We can't hear we are then abeswa. Especially in propaganda. Some contrast MDC for nyina anya papa. When na benyande naba. Leaders no na SI party no. Enya NDC for nyina. Tina twira ne so badwe manage okra. The essence of communication. One, minua so betumi atwe nipa beto ase. The atosu tu o kire nim de. The atosu miensa o kire o pani ye how mature you are. The atosu nine o kire sa o teniema bi ase. Na kasa edin kabo mu ni asumdwe so ba. Anything the Bible say emo eboko de sanka ni o say emo ebonko boko sanka ni bre. De atwa no kan no. Me de wie ehonum no na maba mama de na oka ya amanfo agi hu achi so onti oyi ya kasa ontimi no. Menua the book of Judges chapter 12 1-6. Ekoba say Gilead for no kokun. They were led by Jephthah. Tuamu ko akon bae no. Gideon or they say Gordon. And a woman yanum Ephraim for no. And you are more yanum, some more contact and cramo and can't say, Canum Boko, no, say, Pamucho, Yan can't, ye catch remo. Apre so ye catch remo, afei de Ephraim for some ni Gilead for be ko no say ani amuni be ko dia yen so yen trase mo won kayen obra ba da ho enom ko si pampim wo Jordan ho ba bie ne ntokwa hihye so afei de Ephraim for makofa ntokwa say buru wo mo so wo mo paku adwane enom kofa linguistic text bi na oduru won man ya ka se ka Shibolet but now wo mo northern side of Israel wo mo timi nka she wo mo ka Shibolet that very day no because of so much man ka Shibolet eko ka Shibolet no enipa 42,000 omukum wo mo. What is the implication here? How is it relevant here? Many of our political communicators today no they are speaking Shibolet. Wo mo kasa pam party and Crofo Free Party no both NDC and MPP. Adwuma force here hia katua and am hia katua say no you are speaking Shibolet. You are not speaking Shibolet. On twe nipa mfane ma. Oh, you're effective and dynamic and efficient communicator. Oh, share their public opinion. No, you find a way to align. You don't kick against the pricks. I been NDC for no, you know. Bishop Ayensu amo yenisano, or wire, or ma, or free Methodism, and of course Methodist. Yes, sorry, atitini papa. Waka Methodist, waka Anglican, waka Presby, waka Catholic, waka SD, waka Baptist. And many more such Pentecostal and Orthodox churches. So they are kicking against the priests. They are speaking Shibolet, not Shibolet. What you say? And to the year, you know, Nasabi show fear. Many asami show fear, baby, Okudro. Yamia, you are dumb as a lawyer. A two bedi party, a chin will be Kakra Benya Dientino, as a Odache.
Why do we do this to Ghana? Maybe same way they say. What do you gain when Ghana loses? What do you gain? Ghana didn't say NDC, what do you gain? Is this not this same Ghana you want to become president and ministers over? And you want to run it down and bastardize it into foolishly? Are you telling me, sir, when you are done degrading Ghana and destroying Ghana, now when you come to power, are you now come to restore all the lost glory it has lost? When you could have built upon the glory that is already being built? Kwasi abana de tonso na kwasi afede driver for mra. Driver for de tonso ese agadi for mra. Agadi for de tonso ma afede ese hey yakoton Achimota Forest. How? Me Achimota Forest we me tie brochire de but answer na we beba no minimum whole share kran minimum say 2016 and this is a fact and then I'm come pay you know flyer omo ye no nan come to share sa flyer no nan come the administrator away chairman do not that but my yes I mean honorable because I want the phone so I mean in na di hu komo nan call the aba na ya say 2016 na who na ye president na adi akufu ado aton aden ye twa who sold 2016 Ghana for let's be smart too. I have told you people say NDC has nothing better for Ghana. A Yoboka party. A Jimmy for what's our party no dosun. I had a one to Bregu Yamni at Jimmy